أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Today our topic is Fail Mazi ke Abwab. The chapters of Fail Mazi are past tense. This is the last topic in Fail Mazi. With the grace of Allah, we learned approximately all the Fail Mazi. We thanking Allah on this struggle that we people, with the grace of Allah, approached here in Fail Mazi ke Abwab. It is the last topic in Fail Mazi. Fail Mazi is for past time, and Abwab, it is the Jama Mukassar of Bab. The word used for Bab in English is door, and it means that these are the doors of Fail Mazi, or the chapters of Fail Mazi. We people learned in the Ism that first revealed the Holy Quran, and then the grammars of Arabic language has arranged, where we have Arab of do zabar, do zir, do pesh, which was used for the conditions or the states of Ism. But when we people go to Tasniya dual, then one voice ane were come with us, and ane was used for the Tasniya subjective case. Here that talk is repeated, that first revealed Holy Quran and then the Arabic grammar has arranged. We was the three standards to check all the verbs of Arabic language, and the three standards are fa'ala, fa'ila, fa'ula. The grammars of Arabic grammar is not ended on Fail Mazi. After Fail Mazi, we should to learn the future tense, we should to learn the present tense. And for the future and present tense, Fail Muzari is used for both in Arabic grammar. Fail Muzari will identify in Arabic grammar by 4 letters. These 4 letters is Ya, Ta, Alif, Noon. Which verb has Ya, Ta, Alif, Noon in its beginning, then that verb will be a Fail Muzari, a Muzari verb. It means that that verb will be of either of present time or future time. And the Fail Muzari will be derived from Fail Mazi. These are the standards of Fail Mazi, and from these the Fail Muzari will derive. From Fa'ala, it is the first standard of Fail Mazi. From this, the 3 standards for Fail Mazi has derived, which is Yaf'alu, Yaf'alu. Here the Ain Kalma brings Zabar. And the second standard is Yaf'ilu, in which the Ain Kalma brings Zir. And the third standard is Yaf'ulu, in which the Ain Kalma bring the pesh, Dama. We cannot identify Fail Muzari directly. For identifying the Fail Muzari, we should to first know the chapters of Fail Mazi. According to Fa'ala, 3 verbs come with us in the Holy Quran. First one is Fataha, second is Zaraba, and the last one is Nasara. When we people make the Muzari of Fataha, then it will be made Yaftahu, and then it will made Yazribu, and of Nasara it will made Yansuru. Here the Ain Kalma, Ta, Ra, Sad will bring the variable Harkat. Here it brought the Harkat of Zabar, here the Harkat of Zir, and in Yansuru it bring the Harkat of Pesh. Then these are the 3 chapters made with us from Fa'al, the first standard of Fail Mazi. And we people made this for the getting of vocabulary of Arabic grammar. And when we people see it in dictionary, then we will search it by mean of alamat, by mean of symbols. Here for Yaftahu, the symbol of Fa uses, which is taken from here. It is the first letter of Fataha, and which come according to Yazribu. It means that which come on the wazn of Yazribu. we will search those in the chapter of Zawad, and those which come according to the bab of Yansuru, then we will search them in dictionary in the bab of Noon or in the symbol of Noon. For example, we have a fail mazi of a verb of past tense which is kafara. It is come according to this standard fa'ala, and its muzar is yakfuru. Then we will use it in the bab of Noon because it come according to yansuru, and all the verb which come according to yansuru should to search in dictionary in the symbol of Noon. And the question arises that how we should to make fail muzare from fail mazi. For this we should to recite the Holy Quran more. There is no rule to make fail muzare from fail mazi. Only one trick uses for making fail muzare from fail mazi, which is the more recitation of Holy Quran. The second standard with us is fa'ila. From fa'ila, the two standards come for fail muzare. The first one is yaf'alu, in which ain kalma bring zabar, and the second is yaf'ilu, in which ain kalma bring zir. Fa'ila in Holy Quran on the wazn of fa'ila, according to the standard fa'ila, the two verbs come in Holy Quran. First one is sami'a, and when the muzari of sami'a made, then here the muzari will come yasma'u, which come according to the wazn of yaf'alu, and it will be searched in dictionary in the symbol of Noon because the sin is the first letter of sami'a. The second is hasiba, and muzari of it will be made yahsibu. It come according to the wazn yaf'ilu, and it will be known in dictionary by the symbol of ha. The third standard with us is fa'ula. From fa'ula, only one standard of fail muzare will be made, which is yaf'ulu. Here ain kalma bring pair. Only one verb in the Holy Quran come according to fa'ula, which is karuma, and the fail muzare of karuma will be made yakrumu, and it has come according to the wazn of yaf'ulu, and we will search it in dictionary in the symbol of kaf because kaf is the first letter of karuma. We people derived the 6 chapters of fail mazi. All these chapters keep one property with respect to meaning, which verbs come according to yaftahu. In this the open talk will be described, and which come according to yazribu. In this the talk of trouble will be described, and which come according to yansuru. Here the decided talk will be described. We relate this with fail mutaaddi because all these letters want object to give the complete sense. For example, fataha, he opened. What he opened? Zaraba, he killed whom? Nasara, he helped whose? And these 3 babs, bab of sin, ha, kaf, sami'a, hasiba, karuma, we relate with fail lazim because these give the complete sense or complete meaning without verb. Sami'a, he listened. Hasiba, he doubted. Karuma, he made assent. Now we people relate these with the noun identification. When we learned that we identify the noun through i'rab, then where the 2 parts was present with us. First one was munsarif, second was ghair munsarif, and the other topic was mabna. Munsarif is these which has derived from fa'ala. These are munsarif because these can be interchanged in all 3 conditions: subjective, objective, and possessive. غير منصرف is relate with fa'ala because from fa'ala the two conditions come, which is yaf'alu, subjective case and possessive case are described. And other is mabna, which remain same in all three conditions, and those will be come on the wazn of fa'ula, and it will be considered as mabna. This is our topic of the chapter of fi'l mazi, and the fi'l mazi is completed after this topic. Jazakumullahu khair.